Alright, just dawned on me that I have the wrong size laundry pull washers, and just wanted to show you one way that you could do this if this happened to you. I actually have two of the same size here, and then these are the wrong size. So what I'm going to do is just take one right here, and then from this one, you can just take the back one, and this will actually, in theory, will work out better. So what we're going to do is I'm going to switch this and take the small one. And the reason this will work out better is because this really wasn't covering this kind of mark here. So this is, again, in theory, going to work out. Then I just take the smaller one and put it back here. Larger one, put it here. So that stays the same. Together and tighten up, and then on this one we'll move this larger one to the front. And that's going to cover that crack deal, at least better. Maybe not perfect, but much better. You can even kind of push it up to that spot, but at least now our pulls will match. Now they match size. Just need some touch-up paint around and whatnot, or cleanup, and we're all set. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.